Hello, my name is Jerry Hallett. I just bought this home from Walker Homes. It's been a really pleasant experience. I've, for the last 6 months, been looking for houses, and there's a lot of realtors out there looking to sell you houses. But if you want a home, contact Walker Homes, because you're truly going to find a different experience. You're going to find a really nice, well-done home, and that's what it's going to be for you, is a home. And that's what this is going to be for me and my boys. And we don't want just a house, we want a place that we can call home. And thank you to Walker Homes, because that's what we got. I found the quality of the workmanship to be very nice and pleasantly acceptable. And there's just the sense of that feeling that when you come in, that you really don't need to do anything except for move your furniture in and enjoy the place. Angela definitely has a unique characteristic about her, and that she really cares about people and really wants to make a fit for the people with the home. And that's what I found with Angela, is that her caring instinct about her it makes her unique for what she's doing. And I found it just a pleasure to meet her and to work with her and to purchase this home with her.